Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we want to talk about water treatment in Malaysia for our assignment 1, Building Services, which is QSA 154. Before we start, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Izzatul Syafiqah binti Halmizam, student ID 2025-876-002.
My name is Noaisha Sofia binti Nazin and my student ID is 2025404916.
My name is Nur Husna Hazira binti Jinal and my student ID is 2025467106.
From this picture, we can see that various water treatment plants are being located in Sarawak. For our group assignment, we have choose Batu Kitang as our water treatment plant. This water treatment plant is located at Batu Kitang, Kuching, Sarawak. The Batu Kitang water treatment plant in Kuching primarily uses water from the Sarawak Kiri River as its raw water source. This river is gazetted as a water supply catchment area, ensuring a reliable supply of water for the city. Additionally, the plant has implemented measures such as the construction of a submersible where to enhance water yield and manage water supply effectively. We move to the next one. The Batu Kitang Water Treatment Plant BKWTP is the primary source of raw water for Kuching City and surrounding areas. The raw water supply to BKWTP is sourced from the Sungai Sarawak Kiri River, which is treated through a series of processes to ensure it meets the required quality standards for drinking and other uses. The plant is supported by Bengoh Dam, which ensures sufficient raw water during dry periods. The plant has significantly increased its capacity from 780 million liters daily to 884 million liters daily, with the upgrade project fully operational by July 2023. This upgrade is part of a broader effort to secure and manage water resources effectively in the region.
Water treatment in Batu Kitang have 8 processes of water treatment. First and foremost, it is a raw water intake. A raw water intake is a structural system that withdraws untreated water from natural sources such as rivers and lakes. Second water treatment process is screening and drift removal. It is a process of removing the floating materials like leaves and wood pieces from waters. Besides that, aeration, the process of mixing water with air. The purpose of aeration is to remove gaseous slime and volatile impurities causing bad taste and odor to water. In addition, coagulation is also water treatment process, which is a chemical to produce positive charge to neutralize the negative charge on the particles. The particles can stick together, forming larger particles which are more easily removed. Furthermore, sedimentation is a process of removing suspended impurities by allowing the water to stand undisturbed for 2 to 6 hours in a big tank. Hence, filtration is process of removing bacteria by passing the water through filter beds, which is it containing fine sand, coarse sand, and gravel. Moreover, the process of destroying the harmful bacteria known as disinfection. It is used chemicals called disinfectant. Last but not least, pH adjustment or conditioning is the process of modifying the acidity or alkalinity to a target pH range, optimize chemical reactions of protect equipment. Okay, that is the role of governing authorities. In Sarawak, the main governing authority for water supply is Sarawak Water, which is a company fully owned by the Sarawak government. Their main responsibility is to provide safe, reliable, and sustainable water supply to both urban and suburban communities across Sarawak. They also ensure that the water supply is always continuous and safe, meaning people can get clean water without major interruptions. Besides that, Sarawak Water is also responsible for managing water resources and infrastructure properly, such as water treatment plants, pipelines, and storage system. This is important because good management can help protect water resources and ensure that there is enough clean water for future generations. So overall, Sarawak Water plays a big role in maintaining water supply quality and ensuring the community's needs are always met.
Next, I will discuss about the issues and challenges related to the water treatment plant in Batu Kitang. Firstly, landslides along Jalan Batu Kitang once caused a 10,050 mm main water pipe to burst, affecting water supply in areas around Kuching and Kota Semarahan. In addition, there were issues related to low water pressure and murky water supply. Furthermore, some low water pressure problems were reported to have continued for almost 2 years before a permanent solution was implemented. Hence, Sarawak Water carries out repair and water supply restoration works in stages. Lastly, long-term planning is proposed by upgrading and strengthening the condition of pipelines to prevent recurring damage. In conclusion, the water treatment process is a systematic method that involves several stages of the process to convert raw water into a clean and safe water supply. This process is crucial to ensure that the water distributed is safe from germs and contaminants. It can not only improve water quality but also can prevent the spread of diseases caused by contaminated water. Therefore, this method needs to be implemented efficiently and effectively so that the community can use an adequate supply of clean water and is guaranteed to be safe for use. These are all the references that we have retrieved.